Okay, let's go over homework 5.3, number 4. All right, so first I'm going to simplify the integrand a little bit. Right, so you have integral from 1 to 16. All right, then you have first part is x divided by square root of x. So that's same thing as square root of x. But I'm going to write it as x to the 1/2 power, since it's easier to take the antiderivative this way. Alright, then you have a minus sign, so it's minus. Alright, so 5 over square root of x would be 5 x to the negative 1/2. Alright, then dx. Alright, so take the antiderivative. Alright, antiderivative x to the 1/2 would be add 1 to 1/2, so it's going to be 3/2. Right, then divide by 3/2 is same thing as multiply by 2/3, so I put 2/3 in front. Right, then you have a negative 5 is already there. Alright, then you have x to the add 1 to the power, so it's going to be positive 1/2. Right, divide by 1/2 is same thing as multiply by 2. Right, then you're going from 1 to 16. Right, then just to plug in, so top number first, it's going to be 2/3, right, times, all right, so 16, so a 1/2 power is a square root of 16 is 4, and 4, then you have to raise it to the third power, so 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 4 is 64, so you have 64 here, right, minus, so 5 times 2 is 10, times 16 to the 1/2 power, so square root of 16 is 4 again. Alright, minus, then we plug in 1, so 1 to the anything is always 1, so it's going to be just 2/3, minus 10. Alright, so let's clean up a bit. Let's see, so this is going to be 2 times 64 is 128, then minus 2/3, so 126 over 3. Right, so I took care of this. So 128 over 3 minus 2/3. So we got that. Alright, here is negative 40 and plus 10, so it's negative 30. Alright, so 3 cancels out, so that's going to be 42. Alright, so 42 minus 30 would be 12. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.